UMLA ke mau serang ba olan sing Suiñ la ong ba Shisien ke Sngi ke jela Meghalaya ke baju tip kum kari ki lo kan sakelas kari ki Diengjri. Haba simenta ke nyeta el ke mang tengka menta ke Sngi hapok in ba tauan ba olan sing la ong ba ukelmen skem ba sien ka UNESCO kan itu ya ke jingking jiri kum ki World Heritage Site ba hangta sayo I ya ke jingwan tu ki turit bawan kai nakaleng ke patei. Ulong ba mau seram kam jingai na ke sora hak bede berkam jingok kai hak ba ka nang pawa hak ni gisngi hak juk ke paula kentu ya kesoka bukan pensa priang susu bantung ding jeri hak jela kham tam ha is khasihil ka sora berkam suram gede ba paunam kum ke jika juk kai hak pertai bat kini jika kidon keju ke jinglong ke bayas rejim bat kla don kam ya kesoka ban penyaso ya kini yaki kenang ban kring susu ya kini wan kai na keleng ke pertai la ong ba Suiñ haba penpau ke jing kemen ba olan sing Suiñ wa ong ba hadin asnem kibreu kin lach ya thaimel suram kin sayo I ya ke jing kala nama ba ka surak kan sahe bat kapha ha ka juk kapol ba olan wa krendu hal karep karyang jong ginong rep bat kumju ka jing penne ya ke slap na ka benta ka jing bentoy gibreu bat ru ban yada ya ke mariang.
I'll just, I'm very impressed with the budget in agriculture and the outlay has put around 700 crore. And it's very impressive also to see that the high value plantation crops like black pepper, cinnamon, Ceylon and so on, you have taken off for area expansion. This has gone a long way in adding the economy of the farming communities and contribute to the GDP of the state. And I'm also happy that since the agriculture is a big department, so it has many sections, many entities to look after it, like the food processing, the horticulture, the marketing, and so on. And besides that, there are many agencies also that looks after the different branches to see that the program activities of the department goes in the right direction. And I appreciate the government that has taken the department in the right perspective. And I was also happy to see that there are some hiring service or machineries available at the block level. This is a new scheme initiative. I have seen that it has happened only last year. So I suppose that by this Kharif season, the farmers should not left uncultivated their paddy fields. Because since last 2 years, I see that the paddy fields remain uncultivated because of the lack of mechanization. And I come to the tourism development, tourism sector. I am, when I hear from the Chief Minister the speech presenting the budget regarding the living road bridge at Nauriat, and very soon we are going to see that the United Nations Scientific, Cultural and Education Organization will recognize this living road bridge at Nauriat to be entered in the list of World Heritage. So we expect that once it has recognized as a World Heritage site, then we can see the heavy footfalls of tourists from globally. And Mosram is not second to Sherapunji. We are going to see soon the light of the day of the coming up of the Rain Museum, which the construction is underway. And something I want to add to this the potentiality that we have regarding this living road bridge. Because a living road bridge, though, it's a living thing. Lifespan is limited. It is mortal. One day it has to die. One day it has to dry up. So I suppose that it is important from the department, whoever the department is concerned, to look into it, to see that a new living road bridge should come up in its place when it dies. And one day, I suppose, since Iskasils is a favorable climate for the planting of this living road bridge, we call it Fiscus escalata, I think that it is better to propagate this living road bridge in the different corner of the feasible areas of our state, maybe. So that one day, instead of calling.
Just 1 minute. Since it is 3 o'clock, I will further extend the house till 3:30.